Good morning, students. This is your geography lesson. Students, as you know that we have started chapter 3 mapping skills, and in this chapter we have learned about latitudes and longitudes. Today we will discuss putting latitudes and longitudes together. So I need you to open page number 19 from your book and read and understand these two terms properly. Let's start reading. Now you know what latitudes and longitudes are. Students, what are latitudes and longitudes? I have already told you that the definition of latitude and longitude. For the sake of revision, I tell you latitude and longitude are angles that uniquely define points on a sphere. Together, the angles comprise a coordinate scheme that can locate or identify geographic positions on the surfaces of planets such as the Earth. So these are the angles. But how do you make use of them to help you find a place? If you put the latitudes and longitudes on a single map, you will have a map like figure 3.7. You will find that the latitudes and longitudes cross at some points. All you need to do when you need to find a place is to find the point where the relevant latitude and longitude meet. The point where the latitude and longitude meet describes the exact position of any point on the globe or map. So students, in geography, latitude is a geographic coordinate that specifies the north-south position of a point on the Earth's surface. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north or south at the poles. Lines of constant latitude or parallels run east to west as circles parallels to the equator. Latitude is used together with longitude to specify the precise location of features on the surface of the Earth. Students, when we describe the Earth in spherical coordinates, it is called geographic or unprojected. The most common system for locating points on the Earth is with longitudes and latitudes. Both longitude and latitude are angles measured with the center of the Earth as an origin. A longitude is an angle from the prime meridian measured to the east. Longitudes to the west are negative. On the other hand, latitudes measure an angle up from the equator. Latitudes to the south are negative. Figure 3.8 shows the position of a ship. You can see the picture. Look for the meeting point of the latitude and longitude. It is at latitude 50 degree north and longitude 30 degree east. Hence, the ship is at 50 degree north, 30 degree east. Students, latitude runs 0 to 90 degree north and south. Longitude runs 0 to 180 degree east and west. Now, open workbook page number 7. Here is exercise 2, interpreting photographs. Study the picture below carefully and answer the questions that follow. A. Give two examples of physical landscape. The two physical landscape are mountains and hills. B. Give two examples of human landscape. There are houses and bridges. So two examples are houses and bridges. C. How do you think the examples that you have cited in 2B may bring about possible changes to the landscape? Answer. The possible change that may bring to the landscape in this picture, that is different types of bridges can be built here. We can also build any institution in this area. D. Briefly describe the picture. Answer. This picture is about physical landscape. Look at the picture. You are very clear about the physical landscape. This picture is about physical landscape. It is showing beauty of nature. We can see mountains and hills, houses and bridges all as well. We can say also running water under the bridge. So this picture is about physical landscape. It is showing beauty of nature like trees and streams in it. There is also a bridge as well as houses that are human production. The picture is the mixture of both physical and human landscape. So this is your lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.